Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. Today I am going to make mutton curry, and today's mutton curry also will be very different. I hope you all will like it. I have taken 1 kg mutton over here. You can see it's washed out. Now I will put some chili powder, some turmeric powder, and mix it. While making the recipe, I will show you the ingredients. Friends, to make the mutton curry, I will put some mustard oil. Friends, the oil is turned hot. I have taken some jeera. This I will put in. This is some dry chilies. This also I will put in. I have taken curry leaves. This also I will put in. Now I will put in the mutton. I will put in the salt also now. After 5-10 minutes, I will put in the onions. Cover it up and let the meat fry. Friends, the masala what I'm going to use. This is black pepper and jeera. This I will put in. This is ginger garlic. This also I will put in. Green chilies, this also I will put in, and I will grind this. Friends, now I will put in the onions. This I am going to put in. Now I will put 1 tomato. Now I will let this mutton and the onion cook together. Friends, now I will put in the masalas. The masala which I have showed you. Now I will put this in. I have already put in the turmeric powder and the chili powder. I will let the masalas fry. Now I will use some Kashmiri mirch powder. Friends, now I will let this mutton and the masalas fry together. Friends, the mutton is being browned with the masalas. How nice it's looking. You can see how nice it's looking. Put in the garam masala powder. Put in the meat masala powder. Mix it well. Now I will add the water. I will use warm water. Friends, now I will cover it up and let the mutton cook. friends, mutton curry is ready. You can say it mutton gravy also because it has gravy in it.